Here by the wood cutting area, this is where you would bring pieces of wood if you need it cut, if you don't have the tools at home, or if you need or if it won't fit in the car and you just need it cut. But so this is normally where I come if I have something too large to fit in my car. But normally near it, there's usually a scrap wood pile, and this is where I find things like this. So like things like this. Look how awesome this is. Let me show you. So pieces like that would be great for like signs or any other project you may have. I also take these because it's good for other projects. Sorry, I'm out of breath. And then I have like this one here. I think this is like a 1x6 that was cut. And so normally they charge me probably about between 25 cents and like $1 something, which is not a bad deal. Saves you a lot of money. And that would be for each. I'm not saying that would be for all of them, but this is normally where I come. Look at this here. So awesome. So I'm going to take a few here and then I'll show you what I got. Show you what I got. I got this super cool, very large, it looks like paneling, but it has like a very cool design, and it's so big. I had to get one of these like blue cards. Awesome find. And then I got this one here. It was one, I had them cut it for me in the wood cutting area because it was too large to fit in my car. And then that board that I showed you earlier, and then a couple more. So excited. But now I'm here in the lumber or pine board section, and I need to find some lumber for, and I actually need 1x4s. So I think it's this right here. Yep. And they come in different heights, but I'm building a 6-foot tall ladder, so I need a 6-foot tall. So that is right here, 1x4x6. So I need 2 of them, and the goal is to find as straight as possible ones because I want my ladders to be nice and straight. So let's try it out. Here's this one. This one's pretty good, and I'm making sure that look at it this way as well. And it looks pretty straight, so that's a winner. And I need 4 of these 6-foot ones. I would not take. See how this one curves a lot at the end, so I would not take this one. This is an 8-foot one because I need, you see how there too is kind of curved. I need 2 8-foot ones, and that would be for the side panels on the ladder. Excited because when I went to the checkout, the lady, I guess whoever was here who would tell her like what code they would have to put for scrap was not here, so they ended up giving it to me for free. So I am super stoked that I got it for free. Shopping as well. It's been a productive morning, so I'm going to try to fit everything here. So what I do with my longboards, because I brought my car and not my husband's truck, is I usually put it right down the middle. So I'm going to try to show you here with one hand. So I just put it right down the middle here to the front, and then it fits perfectly, and I just keep piling them on top. So that's usually how I do it. But here's what the lumber looks like. It's pretty packed. I think I'll be able to still see through the top of that, but it all fits, and I'm ready to go. Alright guys, so I made it home. I am unloading everything, including the groceries, and I'm going to start building the ladder. I took the 2 8-foot boards, and I am cutting 19 inches boards that are going to go across on the ladder. Now the customer ordered a white distressed 6-foot ladder, but only one. I am going to cut lumber to have enough for 2, so when I get another order, it's already ready. So after I got the lumber cut to where I wanted it, I am now sanding off with a 160 grit sandpaper, just any roughness or any splinters that the wood may have. And then I painted it with dark, this is a charcoal by Rust-Oleum in the chalked line. And the reason why I'm painting the darker tone is because when I distress the white on the boards, I want that dark paint to come through. I used the Rust-Oleum Chalk paint in the linen white, and I gave it 2 coats. After the coats were fully dry, I am now using my palm sander, and I am with a 220 grit sandpaper. I am going to be distressing heavier on the corners, but I'm going to be smoothing everything out and letting the dark paint come through beautifully. And here's a closer look at what the distress boards look like. I sealed everything with Beauthy's polyurethane, and this is their crystal clear. And I only gave it 1 coat because the ladder is not going to have high wear and tear, so 1 coat was sufficient. After the top coat was fully dry, I am now going to start building the ladder. And I'm not going to go into a lot of details because it's pretty explanatory, but I do want to recommend, if you are building this ladder or any other ladder, that you measure, and then measure again. You want to make sure, because things will move, especially the first board. You want to make sure before you staple, before you glue, you want to make sure that it is where you want it, because if the first board is not even and aligned well, then the rest will not look right either. I am going to use wood glue, my staple gun, and I'm also going to be screwing in a screw on the back side of it once it's all done for extra security and extra stability. And there you have it, guys. I think it looks absolutely stunning. I staged it and sent it to the customer, and she absolutely loved it. So that is it for today, guys. If you enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up. If you have any questions at all, write me a comment down below. And if you have not subscribed to my channel, I invite you to do so. I hope you have a great day.